Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use mSpy to monitor an Android device. This app offers powerful features to track calls, messages, locations, and more. But before we dive into the tutorial, let me point out that mSpy's customer policies can be tricky, especially when it comes to refunds and support. That's exactly why I created my newsletter. By signing up, you'll get access to more honest reviews, better alternatives, and tips to help you make the right decisions. Plus, you can grab a free ebook titled Digital Safety Made Simple to make sure you're fully informed. The link is in the description below, so make sure you check it out after the video. To get started with mSpy on an Android phone, you need to purchase the app from their official website. After you sign up, you'll receive the installation instructions for your target device. Once you have the instructions, you'll need to physically access the Android phone for a few minutes to install the app. This is the only step that requires direct access to the phone. After installation, the app works invisibly in the background. Once the app is installed, log in to your mSpy account on your computer or phone. You'll enter the credentials provided after purchase and complete the setup process. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions to allow the app to function correctly, such as access to GPS and contacts. After setting up, you can start monitoring the Android device in real time. With mSpy, you can track call logs, see all incoming and outgoing calls, including timestamps and durations, text messages, view SMS and even deleted messages. Location tracking, track the device's location in real time with GPS. Social media, monitor apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Browser history, view the websites visited and search history. Even though mSpy offers strong monitoring features, no app is perfect, and mSpy's customer service can be challenging. This is why I highly recommend signing up for my newsletter for better alternatives and insider tips on digital safety tools that could work better for your needs. When you subscribe, you'll also get your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, which includes all the best practices for staying safe in the digital world. To sum it up, mSpy for Android is an effective tool for monitoring, but it's not without its issues, especially around customer policies. By signing up for my newsletter, you'll get more insights, better options, and a ton of helpful tips for your safety. Don't forget to grab your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next